Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to change your name in Clash Royale. The first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Clash Royale application, which of course I have done right here. Now, where can you find the Clash Royale application? You can find it on Apple Store or you can find it on Google Play Store. Launch any of those applications and locate the search bar. In the search bar, go ahead and type Clash Royale and follow through the on-screen prompt to download or install. Once it is done downloading and installing, it's going to take you right into the application where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting gaming experience in Clash Royale. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, which is how to change your name in Clash Royale. Now I'm going to show you how you can change your name in Clash Royale and also how you can change your name in the Supercell ID. From this home page, head over to the top right corner of your screen. You're going to find the three horizontal lines. So click on three horizontal lines here. You have Battle Log, Leaderboards, TV Royale, Training Camp, all the way down to Supercell ID. So let's go ahead and click on Settings. And then once you click on settings here, you have audio, you have language, you have change name, you have more settings. Go ahead and click on change name. Now it says change name is available starting from King level 5. So it means you have to get to level 5 in this game before you're able to change your name. But once you get to level 5, you can just select change name and it's going to take you to the next window where you can now change your name. Okay, that's for the app itself. Well, here's for Supercell ID. So click on the three horizontal lines and click on Supercell ID and it's going to take you in here. So from here, go ahead and select the settings option and it's going to take you here where you have the Amy as your name. So go ahead and click on change name. Now it says you can change your name only once in 6 months, so make it count. So click on this box and change your Supercell ID name, and after doing that, go ahead and hit the continue button, and that's just pretty much the process. So this is how you can change your name in Clash Royale. You can go watch the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.